Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how can you check your whole summary in Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to check all of your exchanges and summary, you just simply have to open your Wise application and unlock it at very first. And after opening the application, just simply go over your profile picture into the top left corner. And after going into there, you will get to see this statements and reports option at the general. Now, in order to check all of your summary, you just simply have to go over statements and reports. And after going into there, select statements and select the suitable time periods up to 1 year. For example, I'm selecting this for 1st September. I can select 2nd September of 2023. And this way, you can easily check the summaries depending on your preference up to 1 year. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.